if you're creating a new Apple ID on your iPhone or Mac and you see the message your account could not be created because the email address you have chosen is no longer available, don't worry, this is a common message and the good news is that it's very easy to fix. Let me show you what it means and how you can solve it. So this message usually appears when you're trying to create a new iCloud email address for your Apple ID. What Apple is telling you is that the username you have selected is no longer available because it's already being used by another Apple user. To fix this, simply go back to the email address field and choose a different username. For example, if John Smith isn't available, try adding a few numbers, your initials or your birth year to make it unique. Once you have entered an available username, tap or click next again. If the new username is available, your Apple ID setup will continue without showing this message. And that's all you need to do to fix the your account could not be created because the email address you have chosen is no longer available error on your iPhone or Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Apple tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.